Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Badger. The price line of Badger has completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup, and I want to share the targets for that move with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this harmonic move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 11th of December when the price line completed the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal shark move. And the sell targets for this shark is starting from $28.24 and goes to $46.87. Now, if we take a look at the potential reversals on, then as per the Fibonacci sequence of this chart, the zone is quite wide, even though this move is really very big. And if you're going for a very big move, for a very big profit, then you can take high risk. But for such big potential reversals on, like it is starting from $18 and goes to $11, $10.63. Once the price line enters here, you can wait for any breakthrough or any breakout from any pattern that can give you the confirmation that the price line is going to have a reversal from here. Now, the price line is moving here. If I play the chart, then we can see that still price line is moving in this potential reversal zone. And right now it has broken out the resistance of a very big bearish pennant on the daily time frame. You can see that we have several touch points here at the support, but we have more touch points at the resistance. That was giving us a clear indication that the price line can break out this resistance. But when the movement was creased at the end of this pennant, the price line broke it out. It has also broken out this resistance of exponential moving average 21 on this daily live time frame chart. And even though it previously we have been watching that the price line has been breaking out this EMA 21 like it did here as well, but could not continue this rally because we had this resistance. Same thing happened here. For example, if we watch at this resistance, then we can see even though the price line broke out the EMA 21 here, but it could not completely break out this resistance further and move down again. And here it broke out the EMA 21, retested the resistance as a support, and then continued the rally to the upside. We had a nice rally. And same thing is happening here. The price line was breaking out the EMA 21, but could not break out the resistance. Therefore, it was returning back, moving back. Right now, we are above the resistance, but there is a really very high probability that the price line can move down and retest the previous resistance of the pennant as a support, because if I place the RSI oscillator on this chart, then you can see that RSI is showing a hidden bearish divergence on this chart. We can observe that RSI is forming higher than previous high, but if we take a look at the price line, it is not able to do so. It is forming lower high than previous high. So there is a hidden bearish divergence. Therefore, the price line can retest the previous resistance of this pennant as a support before the next move towards the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.